Track 1.45, Unit 4, My Country, Exercise 2. Asanali Ashimov.
Asanali Ashimov is one of the best-known names in theatre and cinema in Kazakhstan, and he has received many awards for his work. He grew up in a village, but he loved to act and wanted to study drama, so he enrolled at the Kazakh State Conservatory in Almaty. He showed talent as a student and appeared in his first film in 1958 while he was still a student. After he graduated, he joined the Awezov theatre troupe in Almaty and started acting on stage. Some of the Kazakh roles he is famous for are Kodar in Kozy Korpish, Kibik in Yenlik Kibik, and Yelaman in Blood and Sweat. He has also played some famous roles in international plays. For example, he played Julius Caesar in Shakespeare's play, the lead part in Don Juan, and Dr. Clausen in Before Sunset by G. Hauptmann, a role he played 100 times. Some actors only work in one medium, cinema or theatre, but Ashimov worked in both. The early films that made him famous are Kizhebek in 1970 and The End of Ataman in 1972. This was a historic thriller, and it is an extremely successful Kazakh film. The director was Ashimov's father-in-law, but unfortunately he died soon after making it. Like many successful actors, Ashimov decided to try directing. His first film was The Year of the Dragon in 1984, and after that he spent more time directing films than appearing in them, but he also found time to work in the theatre.